Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that in the Igbo traditional society, Iri Ji Mbaise was a sacred New Yam Festival honoring labor, sacred divine forces, family unity, and community life? This is part 2 of Iri Ji Mbaise, where I'll be discussing the remaining 2 core pillars of the pre-colonial Iri Ji Mbaise. So try and see part 1 so that you can catch up. So number 2 is, it was a social prestige and title taking. During the pre-colonial era, yam was a primary measure of wealth, industriousness, and discipline. And in the Mbaise community, a man's status was measured by the quantity of his yam ban, known as Eze Ji. So, before the celebration, the elders inspected the yam bands and farms, because the quantity and the quality of yam a man harvested determined or earned him that prestigious title, Eze Ji. So the Eze Ji, or an Eze Ji, was a man that had vast yam ban, large quantities, and high quality of yam. Like I said, elders went before the celebration proper to inspect prospective Eze Jis. Let me just put it that way, because they had to go inspect farms and yam ban to know those that will be given that title of Eze Ji. And such was an incentive scheme to, motivate lazy farmers to farm very hard in the next agricultural season. And number 3, the last but not the least, was the rights. Let's say the seniority rights, because remember, if you have seen my video, but if you have not seen it, go and watch Iri Ji Mbaise. You will understand how Mbaise was before it's now called Mbaise. It was not so during the pre-colonial era. I won't tell you. Just go and watch Iri Ji Mbaise. You will find out how Mbaise came. Number 5, Ise would, they will say, yes, so proud daughter of Mbaise. So the rights, breaking of kola nuts, the elders, the senior was the first to take kola nuts, and then the oldest patriarch in the village or clan will be the first to cut the yam, the roasted yam, dipped it into palm oil, ate it, and then, declaring it safe, and then open for the community now to start eating the new harvested yam. After that was done, celebration, display of masquerade, cultural dance, folk tales, and eating of different cultural food, delicacies. It was a moment of coming together of communities. It cuts across communities, across lineage, bonding different communities together. Such an interesting festival. And I want to let you know that the Iri Ji Mbaise is coming up in this month of August. You can go and witness it. But anyway, I don't know whether it will be like during the pre-colonial era. So this is where I'm wrapping up Iri Ji Mbaise. To see you in my next video, where I will be discussing another topic on Igbo tradition, my heritage. Ndewonu.
Under
Bye.
the cola tree, our stories unfold. Draw